All right. Now, my pedals have arrived from Brasilia, my hometown. And noise, as we like to say, right, buddy? Anyway, here they are. Looking like no damage to the box, so that's good. Here's their logo. The name of the company is Cachalote. So I learned about this, I guess, through Instagram, and got very excited. Do I need pedals? No. I want pedals? Well, for my hometown, I kind of have an excuse, I guess. So let's get to this. Ooh, a personal address. Let's not show everybody what that is, huh? 1 second. Okay. Did I mention it's 7 in the morning? Because then the kids are asleep. Rough night. The dog had some acid reflux or something. I don't know. That dog was not happy last night. Okay. Anyway, here it is. Cachaloteaudio.com, Brasilia, DF, or as we say, Brasilia. Cool box. So we got in here. This is the console preamp. So this is meant to like replicate. Ooh, sticker. That's cool. We like stickers. Oh, that's nice. Nice little case for it. Whoa, all sorts of stuff in there. Hold up. Got a keychain, like from part of a. That's nice. A catalog of some sort. Whoa, lots of guitar picks. And the feet. That's really nice. Okay, guitar picks. A little chunky for me, but anyway, nice. Another sticker. Oh, I like this. These folks really did their thing, huh? That looks really cool. A white pick and a black pick. That's right there. And then this is, I'm guessing, the instruction manual. It's sturdy. Wow, that's cool. It's got like the blow up diagram of the whole thing. That's really cool. I almost want to like frame that. And then on the back it has details on all the functionality, right? High Z, low Z, etc. Rock just landed on my hand. That hurt. Ow. Okay. Let's check out this pedal. Feels heavy duty, very heavy duty. Even before I get it out of the box. That's nice. That slider is money. I can tell you right now. Yeah, that's really nice. This is like the nicest hardware I think I've ever noodled with. Silent click or loud click? Where do you all stand, huh? I like it to click. Yep, in and out, 9 volts. I mean, even that looks really nice. This is a really nice pedal. Wow, very excited, and it's kind of textured, very industrial. Love it. All right, we'll do another one. Well, let's just keep going, right? Let's open that second. Ooh, and this is really nice. This little bag it came in. Okay, it's very soft. Want to do that? Yes. All right, let's open this other pedal. So this is the Fuzz, the 214. Okay, now I'm better prepared for things flying out of there. Whoa. Okay, another keychain. Very cool keychain. Oh, that's cool. Comes with a little QR code for tips on how to use it. On how to use the expression pedal. Guia pedal de expressão. So that's, because apparently, well, my understanding is you can use an expression pedal with this Fuzz, which is kind of awesome. Can't wait to experiment with that. Yep, the same cool swag. Like, this is the nicest pedal swag I've seen. I want to see that blow up of the pepper. Yeah, this one's in full color even. Look at that. That's so cool. People, take note. Yeah. There's the whole thing. It's like, hey, check out our thing. No black glove on that, huh? Yep. And then on the other side, we got the functionality, the features again. Folks, Cachalote is making some cool stuff. Once again, very soft and nice. Yep, and there we go. So expression changes the frequency, probably of the oct. I don't know what it is. It's got all sorts of stuff. Gain, bias, and this 1K frequency. I'm not sure if it's, I guess it's an EQ, filter, and jaggedy and not jaggedy. Not sure what that is. Wow, man, this is like heavy duty. And Q, which is the width of our frequency there, right? That's cool. We want to take a quick look again at the console preamp. What we got? We got volume. We got the gain. And then we have the impedance, low and high. And then this is an EQ. That's just sort of done for you, right? You got flat. You got a low cut. And then you got some, I don't know what you would call it, but it's like an open high and an open low, right? Yeah, so very cool, very cool. Cachalote áudio, vocês estão detonando, muito fera, awesome, love it.